What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a oil change on the 92 Foxbody Mustang. So guys, I'm gonna give you a little secret. I've never done an oil change before. Not scared, not afraid to admit it. So yeah, this is gonna be, it should be pretty easy. I'm not really worried about it, but we do have a list of things that you will need to perform your oil change on your own vehicle. Let's get started. First, what you're gonna need is your oil. Then a drip pan, which I don't have right now, it's underneath the car. A funnel, some paper towels, look at these. Yeah, some of these blue boys. Some gloves, if you wanna keep your hands pretty. And your oil filter wrench, if you need one. Mine's probably pretty hard to take off. And your correct size socket, I'm using a 7/8. Yeah, 7/8. So, yeah, all right, let's go ahead and get underneath the car and get this thing rolling. All right, guys, so how do you know if you need to change your oil? Well, I'll show you. Okay, guys, so the oil is actually not too bad here. I'm just gonna go ahead and change it though, because it has been 3,000 miles. There you go. Yeah, it's not too bad. But yeah, if you've got black or like super dark brown oil, yeah, you may want to go ahead and change that. But since we're using full synthetic, I could really go a little bit longer, but I'm not like that, and I want to try to take care of this car. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it out now, and yeah, so next time you see me, we'll be under the car. Also, make sure the vehicle is cold. Like, don't burn yourself. Don't be that guy, because that would hurt really bad. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we are underneath the car, and just so y'all know, the Foxbodies have two drain plugs. I have one on the front, and I have one further to the back. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with the back one, and then we'll just see if there's anything else coming out of the front, since we only have one drain pan. So we'll go ahead and get this video started. Alright guys, next what we're going to do is spray a little bit of brake cleaner on the drain plug just to clean it up a bit, and then we'll go ahead and close it back off, because I don't know if you can see that, but it is done draining. Okay guys, so since it's done draining, we'll go ahead and put the drain plugs back in, and I'll see you on top. Alright guys, now that we put the drain plugs back on, we're on top of the car. We're going to be taking off the oil filter, which is right there. We're going to be taking that off and replacing it with the Motorcraft FL1A. So let's get started. Alright guys, so now that we took that off, all that is left is reversing the steps. So when I say that, all I mean is put the oil filter back in, or the new one, and then just fill up your motor with oil and you're done. So we'll go ahead and do that. Everything is going to be kind of quick. So yeah, that's just to save you time and save me time. Let's get to it. Alright guys, oil change is done. Oil change is done. And so we're just going to give it a quick little start, just to kind of get the oil flowing through. And then we'll go ahead and recheck oil levels. And then yeah, we should be done. Alright guys, so that was my first oil change. If you guys have any other questions, please let me know in the comments below. Check out my other videos. Here, up here I think. So anyway, check out my other videos, subscribe, like, comment. Yeah, like I said, any questions at all, please let me know. I'm no mechanic, but I can also find the answer. So thanks for watching.